Hello everyone! Can I ask you all to close your eyes for a minute and picture this? The young ones are playing, climbing, rolling in the mud and having fun, while their mothers relax close by, keeping an eye on them. Where are you? At a playground? No. You're in a mountain in Africa watching a group of amazing mountain gorillas. Mountain gorillas are wonderful animals, but they could become extinct if we are not careful. There are only about 700 of them left. To begin with today, I'd like to tell you a few things about these gentle giants. Did you know that they were only discovered in 1902? They live in the thick mountain rainforests of Africa, so they are quite well hidden from the world. Mountain gorillas look scary, but really they are very gentle creatures who live together in families and are mostly vegetarian. The family has got a big male leader called a silverback. The silverback looks after his family and will only become aggressive when he thinks his family is in danger. He's just a good dad. So let's see why mountain gorillas might be in danger. Well, there's hunting for one thing. Hunters kill the gorillas for food. They also chop off body parts to sell as souvenirs. That's disgusting. Another reason the gorillas are in danger is that their homes are disappearing. People are chopping down the trees in the rainforests for land, firewood and houses. Today, people are working hard to protect mountain gorillas, their forest and their way of life in the mountains. But why is this work so important? I'll leave you today with something to think about. Dian Fossey, the famous scientist who studied mountain gorillas, once said, "The man who kills the animals today is the man who kills the people who get in his way tomorrow."